नमस्कार पिलामाने आज आमे पढ़मा आउ चिन्हमा ए रु जेड अल्फाबेट आउ तार संगे वर्ड्स। A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fan, G for goat, H for hen, I for iron, J for jeep, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for mango, N for net, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rat, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yellow, Z for zebra.